In this video, I'll walk you through the leading websites where you can access unlimited AI credits for calling any type of AI model, such as OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, or any AI model built specifically for coding, development, or images. So I'll show you the websites where you can get API keys completely free of charge. The top link is NVIDIA. When you visit build.nvidia.com, you'll find a dedicated playground section that lets you experiment with pretty much any type of AI. You can find every model right here in this section. You'll see Gemma 4, Kimi K2, Neomotron, and Minimax. Now from here, when you select More Models, then nearly every model is available right here. There are both free and premium models available. You really can make calls tomorrow via their API too. Just choose any model, and once you've selected that model, you can actually locate the playground section here. So this is the first website. First, you'll need to sign in here by entering your email ID, and then you can move on to the next step. It takes you straight to the dashboard section. You're even able to sign up, also with your Google account. So this is the first website you can use to complete your profile. The second website is this one, everyone, dialogram.me. This API key for the LLM is free. So I've already set up an account here. So after you're redirected to the dashboard section, it provides an API key. And this right here is the address. It's called Nexum Router. Specifically, it gives you direct access to the Qwen model, a China-based model currently being created by Alibaba Cloud. The Qwen 3.6 models are very capable when it comes to coding. From this page, you can generate a free API key. Just enter a name and click Generate. From this page, you can copy the API key and use it in any client to call the 3.5 or 3.6 model. This is simply the second website you need. The third site is Grok, Groq.com, Grok.com. It also includes a dedicated playground area where you can build directly alongside developers. This is also like NVIDIA, with every model included here. Once you've signed in using your Google account, the site redirects you to the dashboard, where again here you can see this is your playground section. And now we'll create an API key. Open up console.grok.com. As you can see, these are API keys. Now go to API key, then click the button labeled Create API Key. Here, simply enter a name for it. Once this API key is generated, it can be used with any type of provider. These are the free websites you can use to get an API key. Likewise, you can see that the API key has been created. Copy this API key onto your clipboard. If you look at their playground section, they've included this too. They've included the code for every model. And from here, you can choose whichever model you want. There's Qwen, Llama, Meta, OpenAI, and Whisper. What you're seeing here is Python code they've provided, showing exactly how to do this and how to call it. Fourth on the list, Ollama.com. Ollama also have. You can create an API key on their web version simply by signing up. After you register here, the site will automatically take you to the dashboard area. You can also generate an API key right here. So sign up inside Ollama, then check the sidebar here, where you'll see the key section. So you can use API keys to reach cloud models and other features like web search. From this point, you can generate an API key. Simply enter a name, then click Generate API Key. From this point, it generates your API key. Then copy it to the clipboard. So all the models are available here. Once you've downloaded Ollama, getting access to the Cloud API becomes really straightforward. All usage limits are going to reset in 12 minutes. Your session and weekly usage will reset in 4 days. So if you go over your limit, you'll receive a notification. As shown, Ollama offers every model ready for use. With these API keys, you can call basically any kind of model you need. So every model is right here. And after that, another site is github.com/marketplace/models. So when you visit this website, you can also get an API key right here, which lets you call any kind of API model you need. Here, you can see model switching. With one API key, covering every model and billing. Fast personal setup and free to begin. You pay nothing until reaching our rate limit. At this point, choose your model. The first step is simply selecting the model you want. Now, getting an API key is very simple, as you can see right here. You're currently on the model details page. You can also chat directly with the model right here. So you can view the OpenAI ChatGPT model. You can go straight to github.com/marketplace/models and chat directly with the models too. Simply choose whichever model you prefer. Every available model is listed right here, so you can view every model here. So simply choose your preferred model from the playground section, and you can see it appearing right there. If you open the app section here, you'll see that this option is available to you. You can also create an API key here. It's called OpenRouter.ai. OpenRouter.ai is another really good website for obtaining API keys and invoking any AI model. So this website is entirely free to use. Once more, sign in using your Google account. After signing in with your Google account, head over to in the profile section. This is where you access credits. Just tap credits right here. And this area shows you the API key section. So first click Create API Key. Simply give it a name, then click Create. Now that the API key is created, click the clipboard icon to copy the key. So when your balance hits 0, you'll need to top it up. Add credits after the balance reaches 0. Using just this one OpenRouter website, you can directly access and call any AI model. From this point, you enter your payment information and also choose to top up. Using this API key, you can directly access any model through the OpenRouter API. Here are several websites you can actually use to directly call any AI model you want. So this is one API that works with any model, as shown here. Use one unified interface to access every major model.